Okay, now we're gonna check in with Hayden, a junior studying computer science with a business specialty, and is gonna tell us a little more of what it's like to be a Mind student outside the classroom. Take it away, Hayden.
Thanks, Alex. I appreciate you. Growing up, I could never settle on one individual interest, passion, or career path. Thankfully, at Minds, I can be whoever I want to be. I love being part of a community where I never have to be just one type of person. The faculty, staff, and talent at Minds work to make sure that you get to make the most of your student experience. Despite my busy course load, my advisors, supervisors, and professors make sure to help me so that I can be as involved as I want with my favorite clubs and organizations, undergraduate research, community service, and my creative passions. Ore diggers value holistic learning and making sure you're never just an engineer. I've been involved with the Mines Residence Hall Association, undergraduate student government, TAing, the Harvey Scholars Program, McBride and Blue Key Honors Programs, student photography and video production, and the Minds Foundation. Whether you're acting in Minds Little Theater, participating in our world-class undergraduate research, showing your ore digger might in club rugby, making the project of your wildest dreams in our fully fledged makerspace, or involved with community service through our honor societies or undergraduate student government, there is a place that's right for you on the Minds campus. Minds combines a world-class education with a uniquely golden student experience. Situated between the Table Mountains and the glowing Minds M, you can't find a community quite like this anywhere else. If you come to campus, come check out any number of our amazing student experiences that makes Minds as incredible as it is. Minds has allowed me to find myself in a way that would not be possible at other schools. The close-knit community, access to ample opportunities in academics and extracurriculars, and the world-class education is what makes Colorado School of Mines so special. If you're ready to make the most of your college experience, then Minds is ready to make the most of you. Back to you, Alex.
Wow, Hayden, you've tried a lot of different things in your time here at Minds. That is fantastic. Those special experiences will surely be some of the most memorable. Thanks for giving us a sneak peek into all Minds has to offer. Take care.